Hello, hello, it's me again. Magandang cleaning. I feel bitter in my teeth. Kind of a hook. Hooks test or something. So that's it.
Okay, send.
Oh.
X, send.
Smell good. Sizzler. China?
San Diego sector, we caught up with some of the Taiwanese. We used a translator.
Hey,
They had a remarkable conversation with one of them. Asked them how they got here and why they're here. Take a listen.
What the heck? How they got here?
From Turkey.
Turkey?
Did you land in Tijuana, Mexico?
What?
Yes. Do you want a job? Do you want to work?
Yes. So you're there. They flew into Turkey first, then they flew into Mexico via Tijuana, then they walked across the border. They're not here to seek asylum, at least that gentleman wasn't. He said he's here for economic reasons. And this just goes to show a lot of people have been commenting that in a lot of our footage, these people don't appear to have dirty clothes or that they've been walking for a long time. That's because a lot of them haven't. They're literally flying into different countries, then flying into Mexico, and then simply strolling across the border, which is very open here in Sanctuary State, California. There's no razor wire or National Guard or state troopers down here. They just walk in, they wait for Border Patrol to pick them up, and many of them have been telling us they're planning to go to sanctuary cities all around the country. We hear a lot of Chicago, Denver, and Boston, but that was the first time we really been able to have a one-on-one conversation with one of these Chinese nationals from India, telling us exactly how they got here and why they're here. See that?
We'll try to. Try to go shop. Just look around. What we have? That's hot beam. Oh, super hot beam. Beans pala. Wednesday is $1. May music sila, guys. May music sila, guys.